And welcome to the Smart Science measurement video about dihybrid corn genetics. Here we're looking at both the color of the corn kernel and also whether it's wrinkly or smooth. So you're going to have an image kind of like this one in the upper right showing all these, some wrinkled, some smooth, some purple, some yellow kernels. And we're going to have a bit of a more interesting Punnett square with the dihybrid genetics. Once you've read over the background and the guideline, come down to the bottom here, either write or pick a hypothesis you'd like to test. And then we're going to start looking at several of these more complex ears of corn. When I press play, we're now going to see those wrinkled and smooth and purple and yellow. Notice image one, we're going to go for purple smooth. So you're just counting up what you see here. And the toughest part for you measuring is going to be making sure that you get each one of these different types of corn kernels counted correctly. If you don't like what you're doing, you can always reset it, but I'm just going to go ahead and count some up here. Notice the reset or the save button. I did some purple smooths there. You'll notice I can also do some purple wrinkled, right? I'm not going to do them all right now, but for the case that you're doing, please try to measure every one of the kernels you see on the screen. Next, you're going to get into yellow smooths, and lastly, these yellow wrinkleds. So notice each one has a different color, the count we kept here in the data table and also on your bar graphs. Once you're done with all four of the ears of corn, you can take that data, sum it up, and see if it matches what you expected to happen or maybe something different. Go ahead and do your best job measuring for all these different ears of corn for the dihybrid corn genetics, and you should have a great result in this lab.